got Miami in view. And man, it was a good trip. We saw great whites, 12-foot great white. A couple blue marlin came up to the back of the boat while we were live chumming. So free jumping makos, free jumping marlin. It's a good trip, good trip. Lots of dolphin, tuna, marlin, white marlin, everything. Really, really good. Oh, it's good to be back. And now just transferring the last of our fuel here. And yep, that's it. Went through last of our fuel here. Got about 600 left in the aft tank. So we've been going now. Yeah, by the time we get down to Key Largo, it'd be a pretty long day. Looking at probably another hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes before we start even getting to tie up. So yeah, so 3:34, be about 5, so about a 10-hour day. But I couldn't ask for better conditions.